You are most welcome in first class of physics of your class, and date is 6th of April 2021. This video is for class 8A. Subject is physics, and the name of chapter is force and pressure. Force and pressure. First of all, we should try to understand the force. What is a force? Perhaps you remember in your previous class that many examples were there, like what will decide that an object is moving faster, or what make a ball that is rolling on the ground become slower and finally stop. How a fielder protect a ball to cross the boundary hit by the batsman, or how a hockey player changes the direction by flicking with a stick. So there are many things. What cause the motion? What make an object to come in motion? So you will identify that some kind of interaction is there. Some kind of interaction is there between the object. Okay? So we can say a force is a kind of interaction. Okay? And what will be the result of this interaction? This interaction makes an object to move or stop. Move or stop. If object is in motion, it will stop by the interaction, or if the object is in stationary condition, it will come into the move condition in motion by the interaction. Okay? There are different types of actions. Many actions are there. You can say the opening, closing, picking, lifting, pushing, pulling. Okay, many kind of actions. Where this is some examples. Example of some actions. Many kind of actions which need an interaction. Just like if we take an example of opening, closing. Just take the example of a door that you need to make it close. You want to make it open. What you do? Either you will pull the door or you will push the door. Whatever. So there is an interaction between you and the door. You interacted with the door to make it open or close. So that is interaction. So force is a kind of interaction that change in the state of object. Force, what? Force is a kind of interaction. With whom? With the object. which change or try to change the state of an object. Okay, suppose you are trying to opening the door. You will easily make it open or close, but if the door is heavy and a small child is trying to make it close, perhaps he will not succeed it, because the interaction that he made on the door is not enough to make the door move, whether he want or she want to make it close or open. So here I have written which either change or try to change, means whether the child will able to open the door or close the door, or he will try to open or close the door. Okay, so that is a kind of interaction between the object and between two objects. Okay, so force is a kind of interaction which try to change the state. Now if we see these actions again, opening, closing, picking, lifting, pushing, pulling, these all things, there is either push or pull. In all these actions, to complete all these actions, either we will push or pull the object. So we can also define a force is a push or pull, and this push or pull is the interaction between two objects. So you can say a force is a kind of interaction between two objects. You can, if you want, you can add here between two objects which change or try to change the state of an object. Whether the object is in stationary condition, it will start moving, or if the object is moving, it will stop. If the object is moving, it will change the direction, and whether the object is moving at faster speed, it will slower down the speed. Whether the object is moving at slower speed, it will move faster. So many kind of result can become with the interaction between two objects, and that is called the force, and it is simply a push or pull. Okay. Now onwards, you will be able to define what a force is, what will be the direction, who will push, who will pull. You can see here is the book, and see here a table has been given here on page number 128. Different types of activities are given here, and you have to fill it, whether the object action is pushing or pulling, picking, whatever option is given, and action can be grouped as push or pull. Okay, just like the first is done for you, moving a book placed on a table. A book is placed on table and making it move. So pushing, pulling, lifting, by three ways we can make the book move. Okay, action can be grouped as, what kind of action is this? So it is push or pull, it is both kind. Either we can pull or we can push. Okay, so both kind is there, whether we are trying to slide the book or we want to lift the book or whatever we want. So similarly, a table has been given, perhaps you are able to see this on page number 128. It's your homework for today. You will fill it with the pens. Okay, Here it is written force are due to an interaction. So there is different examples given here for the interaction, like a man is standing behind a car. Just the presence of man do not make the car to move. It need an interaction. If the man will start to push the car will start to roll or move over the road. Similarly, the girls are playing, three situations has been given. Okay. Whether some is pulling, in some case it is pulling, in some cases it is pushing. So you will study this page and try to understand the concept of the force and fill the table which is given on page number 128. Later on, in next video I will discuss what a force can do and what are the different kind of forces. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. This is an introductory video for your first chapter of physics. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.